Hello, good morning students. So today we'll study about the physical education, the unit 1, the changing trends and career in physical education. In this unit we are having topics. 5 topics are there, the namely meaning and definition of physical education. Second one is aims and objectives of physical education. Third one is career options in physical education. Fourth one is competitions in various sports at national and international level. Fifth one is Khelo India program. So before going to these topics, first we'll study about the meaning and the definition of physical education. So here students, first we have to understand the meaning of physical education, what it does means. First we'll study about the education. See, there is a two words, physical and education. So first we'll study about the education, what the education is. Education is a type of knowledge which we gain from birth to till end. That means the process of learning which starts with the birth of the person and ends with the person only. Here second one is the physical. What the physical is? Physical means what all the activities we are doing in our routine work. Under this the physical comes. That means the physical means the movement of our body. That is a physical. If we combine all these two words, physical education, now if we combine these two words, then it comes that physical is the movement of body and education is a knowledge. So physical education involves those activities which help in the development of body and mind, and it also helps to develop good habits and a positive behavior. Now in second one is the physical. Physical refers to the body or the qualities of body such as strength, speed, endurance or coordination or flexibility. So here physical education can be referred to an educational process which aims to develop human personality through activity. So here some of the educationists have given the definitions which are as follows. If we go according to the J.B. Nash, the physical education is that field of education which deals with big muscles activities and their related response. Now second is the according to the R. Cassidy, the physical education is the sum of the chances in the individual caused by experience centering on motor activity. So here it is clear from the definitions that physical education is closely linked with general education. In other words, it can be said that physical education helps to bring the changes in the behavior of a person who participates in the physical activities. And it also plays a big role in growth and development of the individual. Especially we can find in the children. Now we'll come to the second topic, that is the aims and objectives of physical education. So here the aims, usually the aims and the objectives are considered same, but aim is the ultimate goal and objectives are the smaller targets to reach the aim. Here the aim cannot be changed, whereas the objectives can be changed from time to time. Here also some of the educationists have given their different aims or the definition, which the one is the J.F. Williams. The physical education should aim to provide skilled leadership, adequate facilities, and ample time for the individual and the groups to participate in activities that are the physical, wholesome, mentally stimulating, and socially sound. So one there is, that means we come to conclude that the aims cannot be changed, but the objectives can be changed. Here the educationists have given a different objectives. First one is according to the American Physical Education Association. These have given, the first one is the physical fitness, mental health and efficiency, social moral character, emotional expression and control, and appreciation. In the same way, H. Clark has given, Bookwalter has given, and Leslie has given. So from all these objectives given by the different educationists, we can conclude that the physical education has following objectives. We have concluded. So first objective is the physical development. Second one is the neuromuscular coordination. Third one is the emotional development. Fourth one is the social development. Fifth and the last one is mental development. Here we'll study step by step. That is, the first one is the physical development. Here, as the name is mentioned, the physical development. Here it means an individual's strength, muscles, endurance, or the good postures, or the development of good health habits. It includes all these things. So here, and also it includes the systems. Systems means circulatory system, nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, and etc. Here the physical fitness requires the intake of good food and proper amount of rest and sleep. Remember this thing. The physical fitness requires the intake of good food and proper amount of rest and sleep. Here the good food means all the proteins, carbohydrates, fats and minerals, everything should be in a proper way. So here it means the processing of the good health, teeth, hearing, eyesight, mental, all these things has to be handled the body well, and capacity to do work over a long period without decreasing efficiency. So here the physical development means the outlook of a person. Now second one is the neuromuscular coordination. Here the neuromuscular coordination means a brain and the muscles of an individual. The development of neuromuscular skills help in developing the ability to do various activities. What are the various activities? The various activities are like running, jumping, throwing, etc. All these activities are the neuromuscular skills. Here, and it also improves the neuromuscular coordination. Good coordination keeps away the fatigue, and reaction time also improves. Here means the neuromuscular coordination is we have to coordinate between the brain and the muscles. Now third one is the emotional development. What is the emotional? Means you might have seen the some of the persons are getting emotionally. Emotionally means the courage, truthfulness, unselfishness, initiative, loyalty, cooperation, strength, all victory, sportsmanship, all these are the emotionals. So how we can develop all these things? So we in normal conditions or the under pressure, it is very important to control all these emotions. Here also the physical education provides opportunities to develop these emotions and teach proper control over these emotions. You might have seen when we are playing on the field, the teams are defeated or sometimes they defeated by another team, so we are emotionally depressed. And on the field when we are losing a game, so our team are getting under pressure. So how to control all these emotions, it is the physical education. Fourth one is social development. Social means we are living in a society. We have to follow the rules and regulation or the laws of the society. So everyone has to follow. So here, as we know, no individual can live alone in the society. So we have to follow the rules and regulation. In the same way, during the games, an individual has to deal with the players of his own team or the opponent team, but he has to follow the rules of the games and instructions which will be provided or which is given by the coach, captain or the referees. Thus, physical education develops the qualities of cooperation, togetherness, tolerance, leadership, self-control and discipline. So last one is the mental development. What it does means mental development. Every individual has a different mental level, means the mental level of a person differs. So here the various physical activities not only require the physical strength but also need alertness of mind or the deep concentration and the precise movements. Thus, the study of physical education also includes understanding the rules and regulations or the technique of the game. Here in this, the persons includes the anatomical or the physiological studies or the balanced diet. Thus, the physical education improves the knowledge of individual and enables him to face and solve new situations and problem. So here we stopped and we end this chapter. Thank you.